Good morning, children, and hello, parents. Welcome back to Standard 3 Moral Science class. This is a crucifix, and this is a photo frame of Lord Ganesh. Can you tell me where you go to find God? We go to church, mosque, temples, gurudwaras, and other places of worship to find God. But let me tell you that we can find God everywhere and not only in the places of worship. Today we will do chapter 2 from a moral science book, Living Values 3. We will do chapter 2, that is God is everywhere. First, I will read the lesson and you are going to listen to it attentively. Chapter 2, God is everywhere. God is omnipresent. It means that God is everywhere. He is on the mountains and in the valleys. He is in the air and on the earth. He is in and around us. God is present in the birds and in the animals. God is there in the flowers and in the trees. He is in all of us. We cannot hide from God. He sees everything we do. We must not do any wrong. God is always there watching us. What is omnipresent? It is said here, God is omnipresent. Omnipresent means to be present everywhere at the same time. God is everywhere, not only in the places of worship, but He is present on the mountains and in the valleys. He is present in the air and on the earth. He is present in you, in me, in all living things and the things that He has created. So children, you know now that God is present everywhere and He is called omnipresent. Omnipresent because He is present everywhere at the same time. Let's move on with the exercises that is given in the book. God is everywhere. Exercise A. Answer these questions. Number 1. What does omnipresent mean? What does omnipresent mean? Omnipresent means to be present everywhere at the same time. To be present everywhere at the same time. Now question number 2. Question number 2. How can God be on the mountains and in the valleys? God can be on the mountains and in the valleys because He is omnipresent. He is, you will write, He is omnipresent. Number 3. Why can't we hide from God? We can't hide from God because He is omnipresent. He is present everywhere. Let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise B. Write true or false next to each. Number 1. God cannot see us in the night. Children, God can see us all the time, in the daytime and also in the night. So you cannot hide from God. God cannot see us in the night is wrong. So you will write false here. Next, number 2. God is in my body. This statement is very important. God lives in all of us. God lives in you and God lives in me. God lives in all living things. So, you must keep your body clean and safe because God lives in you. So this statement, God is in my body, is right. So you will write true here. Number 3, God cannot see what is in our mind. God knows everything. You cannot keep anything secret from Him. What is in your mind, He knows that. So this statement, God cannot see what is in our mind, is false. Number 4, God knows our thoughts. What you are thinking, God knows. So you must always think good things and avoid thinking things that are wrong. So God knows our thoughts is true. Number 5, God moves from one place to another. God doesn't need to move and travel from one place to another. As we have read, God is omnipresent. He is present everywhere at the same time, so He doesn't need to travel. So this statement, God moves from one place to another, is wrong. So you will write false here. Moving on to our next exercise, exercise C, answer these questions. Number 1, how can God be everywhere? How can God be everywhere? God can be everywhere because He is omnipresent. So your answer is, He is omnipresent. Next, number 2, can anybody else be everywhere? No, it is not possible for anyone else to be everywhere. Only God can be present everywhere. So your answer is no. Number 3, why should God be everywhere? Yes, tell me, why should God be everywhere? God should be everywhere because all of us, we pray to God for help and He needs to help all of us. So He needs to be present everywhere. So why should God be everywhere? To help all of us. We always need God's help, so He needs to be present everywhere to help each one of us. Exercise D, 5 things that eyes can see and 5 things that eyes cannot see. Here you will write down the things that your eyes can see, and in this column you will write the things that your eyes cannot see. What are the things that we can see, children? We can see rainbow. You can see rainbow in the sky. You can see the sun. You can see rivers, mountains, and there are many things. You can write anything, but here I am writing trees. You can also see the trees. Now here, let's write down the things that our eyes cannot see. Our eyes cannot see God. Our eyes cannot see air. Our eyes cannot see sound. We also cannot see atoms. And we cannot see microorganisms. Microorganisms are small living things. They also call germs, they cause diseases. So microorganisms. Children, try to do all these exercises given at the back of the lesson. Thank you.